the winner for Law Firm of the Year is Stratulat Albulescu.
Bravo!
So congratulations. Congratulations, and feel free to say a few words.
What a surprise. Thank you to our host, beautiful host. Thank you to Jerry. You did a great job again. It's a great honor to have this word for our real estate group. I think I have to thank to all my colleagues, all my partners in the real estate team, and also to our young associates who are great. And they're doing a great job delivering very nice project, very nice work for our clients here. Thank you so much.
So congratulations again, and come join us for a photo.